Hi.
So, where are you from?
So, Maharashtra, how about you?
I'm from West Bengal.
West Bengal.
hmm
Eh,
Like,
what do you do?
we have a business.
What kind of business?
Is is it like job interview? Why do everybody ask me what I do?
Because I'm interested in business. So, what kind of business are
It's
you doing?
food. My grandfather started it.
Okay. What kind of food do you serve?
Vegetarian, non-veg, like veg, non-veg, anything.
Cuisine, I'm asking.
Yeah, veg, non-veg.
What kind of. No, not veg, non veg. Like North Indian, South Indian, Italian, what?
No, no, just Indian food.
Indian food. Okay.
What about you? What do you do?
I just finished my bachelor's in architecture, preparing for my MBA now.
Okay, so you will be able to build houses.
Yeah. Design houses, not build.
By the way, is my voice clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
If there is a problem, let me know.
Okay.
So, do you come here every day? Like, how often do you come here?
Very often.
Once in a day.
Yeah, nowadays I come like every other day because I'm back home, so I don't have much to do.
How does it help you?
I meet different kind of people that teaches me a lot, new things,
Mhm.
new experiences.
I
I learned to write my own name in Odia yesterday.
okay.
Pretty interesting.
That's good. It's good.
Yeah.
I'm a language enthusiast. And how do you say
Uh-huh.
enthusiast language?
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Enthusiasm.
80% of my English comes from these
Mm-hmm.
websites. Oh my god, Jack Rowlett.
Okay. My English, when I was young, like I'm still young, but when I was a 16, 14-year old, I used to talk to foreigners on game. That's
Okay,
how and I read a lot. I read a lot of books. So
that's
that's how my English
mhm.
improved.
Yeah. Like, what games did you play?
At that point, it was virtual reality game called Hollywood U. There were like three kind of career you could choose: director, writer, and actor. And it was a world in
So you
that.
needed the VR.
No, VR wasn't there yet. It was just on phone.
Okay. And reading.
Yeah, I read a lot of books. Like by now, I've read more than 700
So right now you are waiting for your uh, M- MBA.
program. Yeah,
So you'll have to join a university.
yeah.
When can you join?
Next year, September or January.
Next year.
Yeah, 2025.
Oh, there is some gap.
Yeah,
So what are you gonna do in this time?
prepare for GMAT, get my admission process done. It's a lot of work.
Okay, so you need to get prepared for the admission. You need to study for
Yeah, I
that.
need to get my degree first as well. Like I passed, but I didn't get the actual degree in hand.
Mhm.
So I'll get that result. Then I'll get my GMAT scores. Then I have to get passports and visa and everything, and then apply for colleges. It's like
Okay,
a lot
okay.
of
So you're planning for abroad.
yeah.
That's very good. So which
hmm
country?
I haven't decided on country yet. I'll focus on what universities are compatible with me and within my budget, and that's how I'll decide the country.
Ireland. I think Ireland is like I met some Indian Pakistani girl who is studying in Ireland.
Okay.
There's I have met some boys who like yeah they also go to US, UK.
Okay. UK is not good. UK was an option, but I'm not choosing it anymore. Economy is not good in UK right now.
Means like it's too expensive.
You won't no, you won't get job there.
Okay.
There
Like,
are not much job openings in UK right now. Economy is very down. They laid off many people.
have you heard this YouTube channel called Seeing in USA?
Sing in USA.
Something like that. Like there is a Punjabi boy
No.
who is currently working in the US.
Okay, no, I don't know about it.
How like, yeah, do you like, what do you do like other than like studying?
I love art, so I like to draw. I teach little kids arts as well in the
Okay.
evenings. Foreigners kids, not like personal classes, virtual classes.
Okay.
Then I love music and dramas, so I watch that and read mangas, stuff like that.
Manga.
Yeah, manga, manhwa, there are lots of things.
Japanese animation, right? Manga.
Yeah, but I mostly read manhwa, that's Korean mangas.
Okay. So you
Yeah,
can get Korean mangas in English.
yeah, translated version.
And like when you watch like an English movie, can you like understand it fully?
Yeah,
That's pretty good. So how did you get the students? LinkedIn?
no, there's a website called Preply.
Preply.
You make your account.
I understand.
Yeah, you make your account there, and then student approach you.
Okay, so you, okay, I thought you can only teach English on Preply.
No, there are many options.
Okay, so but can you
That's Camly, not
ah
Preply.
I took the subscription of Clapping Go. Have you heard?
Clapping, oh no.
English or no?
Okay,
Like these are like Indian versions of Cambly.
okay.
So on Preply, you can teach other people English. You can be an English teacher.
Yeah, there is an option, but I wanted to teach arts.
Okay, I I once was thinking of applying for Cambly as an English teacher,
Uh-huh.
but
Teacher.
they won't take English. They won't accept anybody other than native English speakers in Cambly.
Yeah, yeah.
But I think I can apply for Preply now.
I would say prepare more before teaching someone else.
Actually, I already have two students.
That's good, but if you're teaching non-Indians, you will be in trouble.
Okay, why?
I might sound harsh, but your English is not there yet
I
to teach
understand. Yeah,
foreigners.
I know.
Yeah.
I'm like, I know, but yeah, I am, but I definitely. So how can I make my English better?
Read. That's how you do it. And watch movies with subtitles,
Okay. Yeah.
but in their original language, not in dub.
Mhm. Yeah.
So do that and read. That's all you can do.
Reading is very
Talk
important.
to. Yeah, I read so many novels. That's why my vocabulary improved. I realized what words to use in certain situations,
Mhm.
age wise as well. So there are lots of things you learn from reading.
Okay. I read every day before I go to bed, before I sleep. There is
How
this,
many pages?
like there is this book of like facts. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
It's called like Children's Big Book of Facts, Volume 5. But
okay,
the name is Children's, but the facts are really interesting. Like what is the difference between artisan wells and springs?
okay.
Any idea?
Artisan well.
Artisan wells and springs. What's the difference?
One is man made, other is not.
Uh, Most likely. Artisan well, like you need to dig a hole, like a.
Yeah, yeah, springs are just
These
there.
are just normal.
Hmm.
There are like some things like that. So
Start reading fiction books.
Fiction.
It will, yeah, that's what I did. I don't read self help books or this
Why fiction is better?
knowledgeable books.
Why is fiction better for learning English?
Because it's more creative. People are in their day-to-day life, so there's lots of dialogues as well, so you understand how a certain age guy will speak, how a girl will speak in certain situations. There's lots of dialogue involved, right? And you
Okay.
want to learn spoken English. If you're
Yeah.
reading a book about facts, it's not going to teach you how to speak. It's just
Absolutely.
going to give you random knowledge,
Yeah.
so that doesn't make sense.
Yeah. Maybe my grammar
That
will be.
you can, yeah, that you can do later when you are like bored and free.
Hmm.
But if you want to study how to talk
Hmm.
fluently and pronunciation is on point, then you need to start reading fiction books, because that's where you will get dialogues of people.
Yeah. Like Jules Verne's
Now I can't give you author. Start from young adult books.
young adult
That genre will suit you, or any genre you like. For example, thriller. If you enjoy thriller, you could
thriller.
just read
Yes.
thriller book.
Hmm.
There's a nice book called Dan Brown's Angels and Demons. You can read that.
What's that?
Pretty nice book. Angels and Demons by
Okay.
Dan Brown.
Angels and Demons.
Yeah.
Do you remember like when it came out? Okay, you have got the book. Hmm.
It's pretty old book, so it might be in what I don't know.
Fiction book, old, new, same thing.
I don't know when it came out, but it's pretty old.
Okay. If you're
Maybe in like early
1990s.
2000 or late 90s.
Hmm.
But it's very nice. You should read that.
Let me see the volume of the book. How big it is. It's not that big.
No?
Let me see the cover.
But this is only if you enjoy thriller, science fiction,
Yeah, I definitely enjoy anything fiction.
then read
Like
that.
20,000 Leagues Under the Sea.
Okay, 20,000 what?
20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. Captain Nemo. You haven't heard of this book? Most famous fiction
No,
book in the world by
I
Jules
haven't.
Verne. It's very interesting. Like, can I like tell you the story?
Sure.
Like, a, there is a big submarine. Some people are living
Submarine.
permanently in the submarine,
Okay.
and they are traveling the whole world. There is a
Okay.
book on it. There is a whole
Okay.
book on it. It's very interesting.
Is it related to Atlantis and stuff?
It's like if you are interested about like oceans, you can read this book.
Okay. Interesting.
But you don't do any like outdoor sports or anything like that.
No, I stay inside most of the time unless I'm traveling.
Okay, so you travel with your like siblings, friends.
I traveled with my family so far. I traveled in Goa with my friend. I was working there as well.
Okay.
Now I'm planning to travel in northeast or Himachal
Hmm.
Pradesh. So hopefully I'll be able to do that soon.
Himachal Pradesh. You can
Mhm.
like you can also visit like West Bengal. There are lots of
I don't know if I like that. I want to go either northeast or Himachal.
because those places are like a very jungle
Nature
nature.
centric.
Uh, okay, let me ask you a question. Let's see. Okay,
Hmm.
I was recently watching this video on YouTube where like they were asking like what was the capital of India before Delhi?
Bombay? I don't know.
Before Delhi, before independence. It has to
Punjab?
it has to do with West Bengal.
I have no clue.
What is the capital of West Bengal?
I don't know that either.
Kolkata.
Oh, okay.
You knew, right?
Yeah.
You have heard the name. Yeah, Maharashtra capital
Yeah.
would be Mumbai.
Hmm.
Yeah, this is like common thing everybody knows. But you are not from Mumbai.
I'm from Nasik.
Nasik, close to Pune.
Yeah, 2 hours. Ah, बरेच होत्या तरी बॉटल्स तिथे. बऱ्याच
What?
बॉटल्स होत्या तरी. इतक्या लवकर गेलो आपण. मग तुम्ही नंतर दुपारी जातो मग तेव्हा कसं काय येतात? तुम्ही नंतर ओके. चालेल चालेल.
What?
How old are you again?
I didn't tell you how old I am, so you don't know.
Yeah, tell me now.
Yeah, I am 23.
20. Same age then.
Okay. Father?
Yeah?
Hmm. So you want to be a civil engineer when you like
No, I studied architecture.
means like
Civil engineer is
design.
someone else.
Well, I am not that. I don't know that much.
Architect design a building. A
Hmm.
civil engineer figure out how to make that building. So it's standing. So he'll make the skeleton, we make the skin.
Okay. Didn't get it fully though. Like yeah.
The pillars and beams of the building,
Hmm.
civil engineer will handle that. We will handle the
They would
overall
decide.
look of the building.
They would decide where the pillar should go.
Yeah.
Then what
So
does an
the
architect do?
building will, we plan everything according to client's need. There could be n numbers of bungalows, but you might not like a single of them. So customized things, customized home is what we make.
Hmm. Yeah, it's now like but architecture comes before civil engineering.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
We first plan the building, give it to civil engineer. Civil engineer gives us layout of columns. We again, if a column is coming in between our design, we rearrange the design around that column,
Hmm.
and then we figure stuff out. Then we give it to the contractor. They make the building.
Okay.
No.
What made you choose this field, architecture?
I was very good at arts from the very beginning of my life,
Hmm.
so I chose architecture.
Okay. Like if you by chance like if you cannot become an architect, what would you like to become?
I'm doing a MBA degree, right?
Hmm.
So I could be a manager of a firm,
Manager of
or
a
I could start my own business.
okay. Yeah,
Hmm.
degrees are like yeah, yeah. That would definitely help me. Are you a good student?
Yeah, I was pretty good at studies.
Okay. If you have like any questions regarding like West Bengal,
I have talked to a guy from Kolkata, so I talk about many things. So I don't really have anything right now. I asked all the questions I will.
the thing is, what is something that you think you need to improve about yourself?
I think I need to socialize more. I'm very introverted, so I don't talk to many people. Hence, I come here.
Okay.
But in real life, I don't talk to many people. I have my close circle of friends. I only stay with them.
Uh-huh.
Uh, I'm bad at judging people initially. I feel like
Did
so. I need to improve that.
what? I didn't get it.
I'm kind of not very good at, like I am, but it's like at the same time I'm not like good at judging people, what kind of person they are.
Well,
Read the room.
yeah, it's like really hard to tell somebody what that person is like on the first meeting
Mhm.
because everybody
So I
talks
want to improve that, and just my communication skills in general. I want to improve that.
like communication is like a vast thing. You have to be specific. Like which part do you need to improve about communication?
How to connect with people and keep the conversation going.
How to make the
How to
conversation. Hmm,
how to initiate a conversation if you're in a group of people. How to maintain your position in that conversation.
okay. Like how to initiate a conversation. Like yeah, like you like joined a new college. You need to make friends in the college.
Yeah.
How to initiate the conversation makes sense. Then how to have the conversation engaged so that the other person doesn't want to leave the conversation.
If for example 6 people are already talking in a group,
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm,
then I come.
mm-hmm.
Then can I join the conversation or I'm left out now? So those skills are important in life.
Because yeah, group you need to otherwise like while you are working you also need to work in groups. So
Yeah.
that's important. Makes sense. So how much time do you spend every day on preparing?
1 to 2 hours.
Every day.
Not every day. On average, I spend 1 to 2 hours.
Mm-hmm. And where are the students from?
Most are from US.
Okay.
Some are from Romania. Few are from Saudi.
Okay, US, Romania, Saudi.
Mm.
Okay, like what age group? Any age group or like old or young?
Most of my students are from age of 4 to 13.
Okay, okay. Kiddos.
Yeah,
Okay, okay. Is there something like annoying about them? Like, do they listen to you?
they listen pretty well. So I don't find anything annoying about them. Pretty
So,
chill to it.
an average class would be half an hour long, 1 hour long,
For 45 minutes.
45 minutes. Can I ask you like how much you get paid for 45 minutes?
$5.
$5 for 45 minutes. And every day you like, did you take the classes today?
I have one class schedule later in the evening.
Okay, so how do you know like there is this? You will get notified if somebody books you.
My calendar is booked, so whenever if somebody have booked a lesson, I can see it in my schedule that I have class today.
Okay, so great. So today you had opening for only one class.
Somebody only one student booked me today.
Okay.
Some days it's like three students are booking me.
So like if if Ram wants to book you, he cannot book you right now for today.
No, only on that hour they can't book me. There are other hours open. They can book me then.
So if I want to book you, I can book you later tonight.
Yeah,
Okay. So I was thinking like train reservation. You need to reserve it prior.
it's hourly thing, na. I don't take a class with the student the whole day. So right now I have 7:30 to 8:30 class. So any other hour they can book.
Do you know who book who like in advance? Can you know who is there tomorrow?
Yeah, in advance. They book it prior. So I know who I'm teaching.
So $5 means like 400 rupees.
Yeah,
400 rupees for 45 minutes. Is it good?
yeah. 45 to 50 minutes, yeah. Pretty good.
Good money. Yeah, and also like you get to meet new people. You also get to practice your English.
I mean, you can't really practice English with kids,
Okay.
but I enjoy art in general. So I enjoy my time and I love kids.
So
So it's a nice thing to spend an hour in.
you have like a
So it doesn't
canvas.
feel like work.
So you have a
Go ahead,
canvas.
what person?
I'm saying that you have a canvas,
Canvas.
like that thing. Like where do you draw?
I
writing.
am not teaching to paint. I'm teaching to sketch. So
Okay.
sketchbook and pencils.
So like, do you like sketch? Like, do you how do you like show them the sketchbook?
I have a tripod. So my phone is like propped up. I have my camera of my laptop. So there are two cameras.
Okay. Okay.
One for the paper, one for my face.
Okay. Okay. Makes sense. How did you ne-
Mm.
how did you need to how did you get to know about like how to set up two cameras and stuff? How did you
You
watch?
figure it out on the way.
Okay, makes sense.
But how would you show your paper? Laptop is not the way. You have to use your phone
Yeah, I
for
was
that.
thinking
You
like
can.
I was thinking those stands like some like Bob Ross style, Bob Ross style,
That's not worth it because I can't draw vertically. I need to draw when it's laying down flat
like
on
Saurabh
table.
Joshi. You know Saurabh Joshi?
No.
No, you don't know. Okay, so he's like a vlogger, painter, sketch.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So where how where should I start my sketching journey from? If I want to sketch, if I want to learn to sketch, how should I start?
Start with line.
Start with a
Learn to
line,
draw lines fun.
and like like I should try to sketch anything like this laptop.
Start with different kinds of line. Vertical line, horizontal line, diagonal line, wavy line, spiral lines, all kind of line. Practice it till you draw them very fluently, very clearly, very sharply. Then you start focusing on other things. First,
Okay,
practice your lines.
lines. What is the next step after line? Circles,
Shapes.
shapes like triangles, squares,
Geometrical shape, organic shapes.
organic shapes, face.
They don't have any constraint. They could be any shape
Mm, so why is it called organic shape?
because they are not bounded by geometry. They could be anything.
It could be a tree. It could be
Yeah.
it could be a tree. It could be a water tank.
No, water tank is pretty geometrical.
Okay, less orderly, more chaotic.
Yeah.
Organic. Okay, makes sense. So did you visit like any other country?
No, next year I will.
Which country? Oh yeah, you're going to some country
Yeah.
for your studies.
Hmm.
Is there something which is making you afraid to go abroad? Is there something scared you?
Nothing.
Nothing. You're not scared of anything.
Not really. I just hope I get my finances in check. I don't want to depend on my parents to go abroad. So hopefully I can manage to take out a loan and pay it back in time.
Okay, pretty good. What about
Yeah.
your like? Is your mother housewife?
What?
What does your mother do?
My mother is a salon owner.
What?
She has a salon.
Okay, salon. Father,
Semi-government servant.
semi-government. Hmm. That's so. What are you going to do after this chat, Rowlett?
I have an appointment with the architect who is working in finance to discuss my MBA plans.
Online,
Yeah,
Google Meet or Zoom. Which do you prefer?
mostly. Yeah, Google Meet.
Google Meet because like there is no restriction.
Yeah, interface is more easy to
Easy.
handle.
Yeah. But if you use Zoom, the free version ends on 40 minutes.
I don't use Zoom at all. I only use
You also
Google
don't
Meet.
use Skype.
No.
Yeah, I am also most friendly with this one, Google Meet.
Okay.
Why did you buy the headphones,
I got it as a gift from my brother.
brother?
Yeah.
So you just have one brother?
Yeah. Little brother.
Okay, means like
Younger brother.
16, 17.
He will be 19 next
You are
month.
so little, adult. Little
For
than.
me, he is like younger brother.
Uh, so you use it mostly to like converse with people.
What?
You use your headphones mostly to like chat roulette or for paperly.
Yeah. Or any video I'm watching in general, I like wearing headsets. I don't like to have everything blaring that other people can hear as well. I don't like to disturb others, so it's just me with my thing.
Sometimes I use headphones while I am consuming videos. Sometimes I like it openly.
I rarely use openly.
Like if you have to do it openly, do you have like a sound bar? Like how do you do it?
Just laptop
Uh,
speakers.
Laptop speakers. Like if you, so I don't think you have a desktop. Do you?
No laptop.
So that's why. Like if you use a sound bar, the quality is great.
Yeah, but I can't. It's not convenient to use. I move a lot, so laptop is more feasible.
You are mobile. You are movable. What did you say?
I move a lot, so
Okay.
laptop is
Uh-huh.
good for me, not a desktop.
Yeah, that's good. That's why I also have to purchase the laptop
Mm-hmm.
different places. Which laptop do you use?
Dell J7.
I'm also having Dell laptop.
Okay, nice.
Which one? Dell
G7.
J7. How much it cost?
1,16,000.
Okay. So you bought it for like for what?
Architecture.
AutoCAD, that kind of stuff. But I bought it mainly for like video calls. So I didn't buy that high end.
Yeah, I needed a gaming laptop because I use very heavy software, so normal laptop can handle that.
Uh-huh. So i5 or i7?
i7.
Okay. That's the CPU, like right. i5 works good for me. Any idea how much the headphones cost you?
I don't know. I didn't buy them.
Okay, you don't know. You didn't ask your brother.
Oh, you can't ask how much a gift costed. That's
Hmm.
very rude.
But like, okay, but if a friend gives me a gift, I that's the first thing. Not first thing. I sometimes ask like how much it cost. Curiosity.
Then that just loses the essence of the gift. Like you're judging it by the number, how much they paid, not
Maybe,
the thought that was went behind it.
maybe.
So it's just being polite.
Mhm. So you are always in Maharashtra. You have never been to any outside.
I intern in Goa.
Okay, so Goa and Maharashtra.
I travel in Gujarat. I went to Jammu, Shimla, Delhi, Chandigarh, Amritsar, Kerala, then Madhya Pradesh, Libya. Yeah,
Hmm. Okay, lots of places, but with family, with parents and
family.
brother.
Mostly family, yeah.
But I want to do it solo. I want to go solo
I wanna do solo as well. This year I'll do.
because I want to like if you go with family, yeah, you are having like the bond is getting better. But like if you when you travel solo, you like I think it would be a greater of an experience because you are more exposed to danger when you travel
Yeah,
solo.
my next plan is that to travel solo or with another one of my friend.
Which place do you want to visit?
I told you, Himachal or Northeast.
Ah, what is the city of joy in Kolkata? I saw it in India.
I have no clue.
Kolkata. Himachal Pradesh. What is the capital?
I don't have much knowledge of geography.
Okay, okay. Actually, I have been using Chatterlet and Omegle for so long that my geography knowledge is getting better.
Okay, I'm not interested in geography, so I didn't pay attention to that subject. It was just like lowest priority subject for me.
All right, you are interested in architecture,
Yeah, arts, literature, science.
science like physics.
Yeah,
Hmm. Physics. All right.
yeah. I think I'll move on now.
Yeah, you can
Great
move
talking
on.
to you.
Yeah, we can
Bye.
meet some other time.
Hmm. Enjoy your day.
Wait a sec. I was going to say, wait a second. I'm going to give you some uh, awards. India.
दिन चढ़ गया
Oh
है,
my god,
एक घर
bro.
जाने तो दो.
What if somebody is live streaming?
Are you?
I am not live streaming, but somebody might be.
I don't mind.
What are you like? Why are you dressed like this, like a girl?
Cause why not?
Because
Because why not?
do you always dress up like this, or today is the first day?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Mm-hmm.
Like, do you? What do you call yourself? Female, male?
Of course, I'm a man.
Okay. And
Mm.
when you talk, do you talk like this, or
Talk like this.
like you're talking with a fuck? You are talking with a feminine tone. Hello. Okay. I like to be watched.